what excited are you, dear, to go get your camper?
Pretty excited, but apparently I've learned to keep my excitement dormant because we've had so many excitements that turn. To look at a 1999 19-foot sandpiper camper, and it looks absolutely adorable in the pictures. Thoughts? Let's go.
Thoughts? Lots of money.
Not really. Hey, if we didn't have to get a loan to get this baby, that's good. Well, guys, we only got a few more miles to go to the camper, and then we will see. Is it do or die?
Ooh, somebody died.
Yeah, lots of nice, freshly manured fields we're driving through here. Whew. No, I'm starting to get butterflies in the stomach. Hope to hell this camper is nice as it looks.
I don't think it's butterflies, baby. I think it's gas. At least pressure.
Or gassy butterflies.
Oh, you sick. Oh, may the hunt be over.
Let's hope so. We've been looking so long, it's going to be weird not to be looking.
Should be coming up soon.
Griner. Oh, I thought the I was on the other side of the N. No wonder I said it so weird.
Yeah, you were.
Griner.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Quarter mile. Woohoo! Destination on the left.
Right up there, you think?
Yeah, that could be. I don't see a camper though. Oh, yep, there it is. I see it. Right.
Yeah, that's where Google Map looked
Yep.
to me.
We're here, folks. We'll get back to you and
That's
see
a
what
garage
happens.
Here. Okay. That's the garage.
Well, we got it. We decided it was a little small, but we liked it, so we got it. Hauled it home. Okay, let's take a look inside. Now we had a few things on our wish list, which we did not get. But it's still one of the things I did get though was lots of windows. That was at the top of my list. I love a lot of windows. So let's see what we got here. For only being 19 feet, there is tons of storage here. Two nice little closets. So I might use one as a pantry. We got a cute little toity, which is a little cramped, but we'll deal. Good storage in the bathroom. Nice roomy shower. And of course we have some minor repairs, like redoing all the sealant, recaulking the tub. I will be putting new flooring in. I'll be putting a backsplash here. These cheapy blinds are gonna go. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the windows yet, so for now they'll stay like that. Lots of nice cabinet space. Everything works, so she's all set to go camping. All we gotta do is some maintenance and a little redecorating. Now this would normally be a couch, but we're gonna make it into a permanent bed, because I don't want to be making and remaking the bed every day. Another thing I love is we actually got a separate freezer and refrigerator. I was hoping not to get one of them kind that's got the tiny little freezer right in the refrigerator. Everything's nice and clean. Nice clean oven. I like the nice double sink. Nice faucet on it. Well, this up here folds down into a bed, bunk bed for kids, but we're just going to keep it as a cupboard. We will have no need for a bed up there. Nice shelf by the bed. Down the line I might paint the walls. Not too sure what I'm going to do with everything yet. Nice roomy freezer. So I can definitely see us living in this cute little baby. So if you'd like to let us know what you think, we'd be glad to hear your thoughts and opinions, ideas, suggestions, whatever. Just let us know. Hopefully I'll be getting in here this weekend and getting started. Doing a once over with the cleaning. I got tile on the way. We got our foam mattress pad ready to put out here. And hopefully by the time the campground's open, we'll be all ready to go.